How to reset your Facebook password if you forgot it. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, log into your account, then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down till you find Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. After you find this, simply click on Account Center. In Account Center, you'll find Password and Security. Click on Password and Security. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Change Password. Then click on your Facebook and then you'll find Forgot Your Password option. Click on Forgot Your Password. Then simply mail will be sent to your email and then or your number. After you select number or mail, 6-digit code will be sent to your mail or phone number. You just need to add the code in here, click on continue, and from here you can reset your password. This is how to reset your Facebook password if you forgot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.